kids. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Who will tell me what should I draw today? Yes, tell me. Exactly, today I draw a diamond for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe my YouTube channel. This is very easy and simple drawing for you. You can draw this at your home. First of all, draw the lines with scale. Using the scale makes the lines perfect. I always use the scale to draw the lines. Draw a triangular shape. Draw the two lines at the top. You know what is the use of diamonds? Its use in the jewelers. It's often used in earrings and rings. It's very expensive. Do you see the diamond in your real life? It usually is colorless. Its color looks like watercolor. Don't forget to outline the drawing. Use the black deeper marker in the outline. It's make the drawing beautiful. Doing the outline in a hurry way. Wow, that's awesome. My diamond is almost ready. Tell me what is missing in the drawing. Yes, tell me. It's coloring. Let's coloring with me. I coloring so much. Do you like coloring? Red color is my favorite color. So I use red color in the drawing. Now I use green color in the diamond. Green is also my favorite color. See, red and green colors look so beautiful. Use the yellow color in the diamond. I like colorful drawing. So I use different colors in the diamond. Do you like colorful drawing? Now I use blue color in the diamond. You know the color of sky is blue. It's usually called sky blue color. I also like this color so much. Use the pink and orange color in the diamond. See, orange and pink color looks so beautiful and awesome. Wow, that's awesome diamond. Do you like this coloring? See, different colors look so beautiful and awesome. Do you like this drawing? Now I use purple color in the diamond. Now I use brown color in the diamond. Looks, my diamond looks so beautiful. Its coloring is amazing and awesome. I like this drawing so much. Do you like this drawing? See you soon.